Well, here she is, 2012 Hyundai Genesis BK1. Should have started recording long ass time ago, but here I am. What I'm gonna be doing is installing this O2 housing. It's used. Gaskets. Here we go. Sensors. Already sprayed down every bolt with WD-40, but I ran out, so I had to use this weird ass shit. So this is where I'm at right now. Took off 2 of the bolts that connected to the downpipe from the O2. So after I install this O2 housing, I'll be full bolt on. I already got my intercooler right there. Intake. It's gonna be full exhaust. So yeah, single exit for the win. And if you're working on your car, don't forget to use jack stands. All right, so we're gonna get back at this, and then I'll update you guys. All right, so now we're gonna move over to the front. And as you can see, I did some janky ass shit right there because my fucking pin fell off. But what I'm gonna do is instead of using this tool I bought, instead of using this, I figured might as well disconnect them. So there's one right here and then this one over here. Just make sure where they go. You don't want to fuck that up. I don't know if it makes a difference or not, but make sure where they go, put them back where they go, where they were. So we're gonna take off 1, 2, and 3 right over here. So let's go ahead and do that. And then hopefully this should be able to come off. Jeez, I'm so tired. Those bolts take so long to take off. But anyways, we got all the bolts off. Flex pipe is all fucked up, that's cool. Now we're gonna take off the down pipe. Hopefully it wants to come off. It better come off. Yeah. We're gonna go ahead and take this out. Transfer everything. Put the new one in, and then I'll show you guys. Alright, here's the stock O2. I'm not even kidding you, this literally weighs like 25 pounds, I would say. As to this, geez, like 5 pounds. So what I have to do now is take these sensors off, transfer them over here, literally put this where this went, bolt everything back up, and good to go. So it's officially day number 2 of the O2 housing, but I wasn't able to get that last sensor off from the old one, so I had to buy a new one. And that plug bolt right there is just temporary. The new sensor should be coming in within 2 days. So yeah. Yo, what's up guys? So, little update from where we left off. So then after I installed my O2 housing, my turbo decided to go out. Like the turbo seals were literally done. So I had to go buy a new turbo, not new but used. I'll go ahead and show a clip, like it was so bad. So after I bought the new turbo, it's getting installed right now. I knew I was gonna take forever doing it, so I just went ahead and called my mechanic to do it. But yeah, he's doing that right now. Should have it back soon, like within 2 days. So we good. So that's fucking crazy. Just as I was making that video, my mechanic pulls up. He took my car today, he brought it back today. Got the turbo installed, I guess. Oh yeah, let's check it out. Not an aftermarket turbo, just a stock one. That'll do for now. Oh yeah. No problem whatsoever. He took my other wastegate. I'm gonna have to call him back. That's a stock one, I had an aftermarket one. This fool finessed me. Hey, what the hell? Way sooner than I expected. Damn, I was thinking 2 days. Anyways though, these brakes have been squeaking so much, so I got a little something. Let's go ahead and check it out.